Hey everyone. Today, I'm showing you how to navigate the Report Center in QuickBooks Online so you can pull clean, professional financial statements in seconds. Let's get to work. Step 1. Enter the Report Center. Start by looking at your left-hand navigation bar. Click on Reports. This opens your main reporting hub where everything is organized into three tabs: Standard, Custom Reports, and Management Reports. Step 2. Find your report. In the Standard tab, you'll find your big hitters like the profit and loss and balance sheet right at the top under Favorites. If you're looking for something specific like an accounts receivable aging report, just use the search bar in the top right of the reports list. It's the fastest way to find what you need. Step 3. Customize the data. Once you click a report, don't just look at the numbers yet. Look at the top customization bar. Change your report period to show the specific dates you need, and use the display columns by drop-down if you want to see a month-by-month comparison instead of just one total. Step 4. Filter for specifics. Need even more detail? Click the Customize button in the top right. This opens a side panel where you can filter by specific customers, vendors, or classes. This is how you get granular with your data. Once you're done, hit Run Report to refresh the view. Step 5. Export and share. Finally, when your report looks perfect, click the export icon. It looks like a small box with an arrow. You can save it as a PDF for a clean presentation or an Excel file if you need to do more math. You can also click the Save Customization button to keep this exact setup for next time. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.